My, how far we have come as people. From having to haul water from dams and rivers to merely turning a knob and watching the precious H2O flow freely. From having to leave the house to a pit toilet outside to being able to chat on your phone whilst you sit comfortably in your indoor bathroom. But it's all fun and games until Miss Toilet decides that she doesn't want to swallow anymore. She wants to spit. Crazy sight. Now, as much as some of these incidents are impossible to avoid, it's much simpler to have a reliable plumber on call. And that's the career we're focusing on today. Manje, plumbers in a nutshell deal with all the water and waste transport in your house. Manje, do not misunderstand me here. They don't transport the water and waste, they just make sure that the transportation system keeps working. Basically, they make sure that the pipes and taps and drains do everything that they were meant to, and that they fix them if they don't. Go Manje, let's take a quick look at what plumbing is all about.
Sivamisileke kuva ngamakhono la imvela kancane. Tifundvo nobe imisebenzi le umnotfo wetfu silive kumele sitithathele etulu kude umnotfo wesive undlondlobale mhlaba wonke. Leti tigaba temsebenzi atinato bantfu labafundzile labawungenelako. Uplumber ngumsebenzi losebenzisa khona tandla kakhulu lowengeta sibalo semisebenzi leminyenti nhlangoso tonke lodzinga bantfu labanemakhono. Ngekukhetsa lona msebenzi wekuplumber nomeke leminye imisebenzi ukhulisa emathuba akho ekungenela imakethe yemisebenzi ngemakhono latawenda abacashi bakujabulele. Futhi njengemisebenzi tsite lapho khona uhola usafundzela lokuyinfo lenhle kuwe umcashi kanye ke nemnotfo. Kuplumber kunebubi bako. Imithoyi nemadrainer lablockila akusiyo info lenhle kunoma ngabe ngubani. Kodwa ke kuplumber kona ngumsebenzi losebenzisa imishina kakhulu ngekelekelelwa yitechnology lokudzinga ubhekane nemisebenzi leminyenti malanga onke. Usebenza ngekukhenika, ufake phindze unakekele emaphayiphi nekuhamba kwemanti. Uma unguplumber ke, kumele unikete emanti lahlobile ekunatha kanye nemithoyi lehlobile.
I learned you're interested in getting into this kind of career and since you look school the subjects the prerequisite but the recommended subject is maths. And if you want to get into an FET college, the FET college dinali the programs different for plumbing, so di different requirements and qualifications or the subject. So it's for you to go out there, find out the information which FETs are looking for, which subjects. The duration it's a course either from 1 year to 3 years, so it will depend on the qualifications or disability. Mara, how na grade 9 you can go out or create training, practical training into the career. Mara, so the organization, the company telling a higher qualification. So maybe grade 9 is what you have. The company telling it's an awesome career to get into, and just an interesting tip is that plumbers charge more per hour than doctors. So it's worth looking into it if you are about the money and you are passionate about the career as well.
Manjege, being a plumber is definitely not as easy or fun as it sounds. But when you're stuck in a flat with backed up sewer water, a plumber can quickly become the best thing since sliced bread. As a result, their manual labor can see them earning anything between 48,000 rands and 120,000 rands per year, or 4,000 rands to 10,000 rands a month. Manje Ama plumbers can also and quite easily open their own plumbing business where they can sell Ama tools, Nama supplies, and hire other plumbers to service homes and businesses, significantly boosting their earnings. Manjege, almost every home will need some sort of intervention with their drainage system every now and then. So a plumber always has something to do no matter how big or small the job. There are various job opportunities for wannabe plumbers, and as a plumber you can work for a company or you can be an entrepreneur owning your own company. There are also opportunities to get involved in the corporate sector where you do the plumbing for a big business, factory, a mall or a hotel. There is also opportunity for you to open a plumbing supply store or facilitate the plumbing at large outdoor events or concerts. Let's see exactly what it is that they do on a daily basis.
Oh, okay. So, retlo very excited lot. Wa bona ditshipitse. Ke di drain rods. Di tshwana le ona e. Wa bona, o tsenya so and then o tsenya tse tsena ka mogare ha ya join, and then ke a traisa ke bofa re bona ha o bona hore ha ona balance le ka loto e thega a ke ro ba tlo ba sho gore ba fa tsona wait, and then I push wa utlwa ya thula, so ha e thula ke mo yana go tlo start over ka thula wa utlwisisa, so ro berekisa thulwe go yira go itra wa utlwisisa ke tlo tshwara ntshwe so re tshwara mo o be sho gore e tshwara stiff ka re ha e ka thella e tlo go batsa wa bona e tshwere ke traisa so ke traisa wa utlwisisa ke traisa o fitlhella e be fete ha e sa fete gore wa utlwa ya no ya tsama gore re fetile a re lebelle drainer na gore drainer na tshwantse be e bulegile yone yana because ha e fetile blockage o utlwisisa tshwantse di tlo tsotletse wena o ska di ropa ka ra o ka di ropa na gongwe media salla ka moha wa utlwisisa, and then media ha e salla gore ro tlo bua hape ba ra bara wa ira mmereko wa nnete It's something. Why what?
Oh, so this can cause a blockage.
Yeah, or our cure.
Go
play something. Plum, le fukole plum le ra hore.
Plum. It's a little perfect. Na ponna kenga is plum. Plum. Ko tshwantse di lona le plum. Bani o tsala mereko mongwe lo reng o challenging tshwantse se botse kelo le ha le o bona o nga solva jang problem ana checksere e bitsa wall plate tsentsha wall plate ke di mano nka bolelang
ka ba nna wa tata ke tlo checka ke be sure gore ke ready ka wena na ko pa wa emele ka mo tere kgona go bona gore
Njengoba usibonile ukuthi plumbing involves a lot more manual labor than skilled labor, so there really aren't any specific high school subjects that you can't do without. You could easily go to an FET college after successfully completing grade 9 and study towards an appropriate N-level qualification. Kodwa, with that said, communication is an important part of any industry, so English is obviously very important. Basic mathematical literacy is also important for a plumber, as they do a lot of measuring and fitting whilst doing repairs and installations. You can also take a plumbing course at various technical institutions, including SA Plumbing School and the Plumbing Academy. Various technicons and FET colleges offer courses as well. Kumbulage ukuthi a lot of manual labor is involved, so plumbers need to be fairly strong. Patience and problem solving are also very valuable personal attributes. Sometimes the longer the problem goes unfixed, the more expensive it becomes, like leaking water. So a plumber needs to be quick and thorough. Plumbers must also possess a strong stomach, ngoba quite often they will be called to deal with blockage problems that may not be pretty nor smell like roses and are often expected to work as a team. Manjege, Plumbers must also be able to assess situations, bathole problems and create effective and cost-efficient solutions. The last thing that you want to do is to dig up a soccer pitch because of a leaking shower head. Manjege, the work environment for a plumber is not particularly dangerous, but it is dirty. It can have unpleasant smells due to the waste that normally causes blockages in drainage systems. Overall, though, the good far outweighs the bad, and it is a very important industry. A plumber should also be prepared to travel and work strange hours, as they are often called to work on short notice. Giyathemba ukuthi you guys have all the information that you need to choose a solid career path. Thank you for letting me fill your bucket with information from my fountain of research.